Okay, I recently purchased this Jenner Finish High Performance Semi-Gloss. It's a top coat, so it's transparent. It does give a little bit of yellowing if you put it like on white paint, but other than that, it's transparent. But the thing is, I buy this online, and it always, not always, but a lot of times they come with this ring around it. And that ring is to keep the can from opening up during shipping. But the problem is, it's hard to get it off. So this is the easiest way that I found to get this ring off. I don't want to use a woodworking saw because I'm going to end up hitting the can a little bit. I know that, and I don't want to damage a woodworking saw. So what I use is just a simple blade from a hacksaw. It doesn't even have to be in the handle. It can be, but it doesn't have to be. And I just simply cut it. And I just cut it down until I hear it hit the metal can. There we go, just hit the metal can now. Gotta do a little bit of edge too. Okay, now I just heard it hit the can. Of course, there's still just a little bit of plastic there, but it's really weak now. So you can take a screwdriver and either pop it through, if you can't get it the first time, just cut it a little bit more. There's some plastic someplace. Okay, twist and pick up at the same time. And here it comes. And then you get this pesky little protection ring. I mean, it's necessary so the can doesn't open up. I'd much rather have this ring on here than not, because I definitely don't want the can to open up during shipping. But they are kind of a pain to get off. If you know of a better way of taking it off, hey, leave it in the comment, let me know. Leaves just a little bit of plastic on top, so just knock that off. Don't really want that in paint. The nice thing about the wintertime shipping, since I live in Michigan, it's cold here, and the nice thing about the wintertime shipment is that they normally put in a heat pack, so it keeps from freezing, because this is water-based, and if it sets out for a period of time, it can freeze. I ordered it last week because it's still above freezing. Next week it's going to be below freezing, around 0, and I wouldn't order anything then. But they do put a heat pack in there just to be on the safe side. So anyhow, I just want to share this little tip with you about how I take off these rings on top of cans of paint and top coat and anything else I might buy. So thanks for watching. See you later.